Hello my friends, I'm very excited to share these products with you because one of them goes with our club set and the other one is one that got a compliment from my 19-year-old daughter, which is big news around here because when I come out with new products, very seldom do I hear anything from the peanut gallery, and this time I heard a whoa, I like that one, which is big news around here, let me tell you. The first one is called Goodies for Bear because it coordinates with our Bear to Stamp, which is very exciting because now you have a stamp to stamp his little belly. You have a stamp to add the little hearts that go with our little dies that go with the club set. And you get some more words. So you get, can't bear to be without you. I love you so much, I can barely stand it. Have a very good day. I miss you so much, it's unbearable. When life gets tough, hug your teddy bear. Grin and bear it, and hugs for you. Isn't that adorable? And I have some fun samples to share with you. Now, this is the set that Katie said was good. So apparently it is good. So I'm very excited about that. It is called Monsters for Birthday. Now, I thought it would be best if we release the dies at the same time. So you die lovers out there, don't worry, we have the dies that match. Now we have Happy Birthday, You Little Monster. Now also, just a heads up, Happy Birthday and You Little Monster are separate stamps. So you can have it say Happy Birthday, You Little Monster, or You Little Monster, or just Happy Birthday. Surprise, a gift for you. Hi there, you're my favorite little monster. Isn't that cute? Now, of course, I designed these with Ben and Carter, my nephews, in mind. They're 5 and 3. They're not little monsters, don't get me wrong. Well, they're boys, they are kind of little monsters, but I just love them, so you know how much I love them. And I just look at them and that little smile, I can just see one of them giving me that little smile. So they're really, really fun. So those of you that have little monsters in your life, good little monsters, of course, this set is perfect. Now let me share my samples with you because they're so much fun. Here's what, oh my word. And if you like to color, hello, here we go. You're gonna wanna use our markers. We have marker sets, we have 2. We also, if you're gonna color with the markers, you're gonna wanna use our archival ink. Look at how cute that little guy is, and he's so much fun. And you'll notice the dies, see how his little eyes pop up a little there? I made die eyes for you also, so you can pop them up. And also the bows on the presents and, yeah, for both the presents. So that way you can pop them up a little bit, but look how cute that is. Isn't that fun? Here's another one. Look at this. Totally, completely different. Completely different. Look how fun that is. They're the same monster, but they look completely different. I love that. Here's the other little guy. Look at that. He look with 3 little wiggly eyes. Isn't that funny? A gift for you. Oh, look at that funny. Oh my goodness. Is that a kick in the head or what? I love them. I have so much fun with these. Oh, look at this. This is on our A2 size gatefold card. Now remember, anytime something has a larger die, you can use that on the edges and then open it up. And look how cute that is. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. Now here, oh, here's our little bear with our little pattern on the inside on his belly. On his belly. I always talk about Cookie's belly. Look at, oh, look at this guy. Isn't that funny? Happy birthday, you little monster. Cute on that little card. Here's, oh, look at our little bear. It's funny to have the cute little cuddly bear with the monsters. And let's see what we have here. Oh, look at our cute little bear again. And I'm saving that one for last. Oh, look at this one. How fun. Sending you love. Now, look at this. The box card die is probably one of our most popular products, and now you can see why. Look at how fantastic this one is. Look at that. What can I say? Right? We just need a moment. Oh, isn't that fun? Now, also, don't worry, it folds flat for mailing, so you can mail this flat. See, you can see how it mails pretty flat, and you open it up, and look at how cute that is. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. It's so adorable. Okay, check out our gallery online. We are having a little bit of issues with our gallery. We're getting a new website. We're so excited. So if you can't see them online, rest assured they're coming soon. And club members, of course, you get the club discount on these items. Have fun. And if you're not a club member, you need to join. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.